We are going to show you how to program a Fleck SXT water softener control valve. To get into the master programming, you want to start off by changing the time of day by holding down one of the arrow keys. Change the time of day to 12:01 p.m. Make sure p.m. is in the right hand corner or else you're in AM. Push that button, the extra cycle button, to remove TD from the screen. Then push in the up and down arrow keys at the same time and hold them until DF gal shows on the screen. Most of these settings will stay the same. To advance to the next setting, you'll push the extra cycle button. That one will be VTDF1B for downflow, 1 backwash. The next one will be CT and it will be FD. The next one is NT and it will be the number 1. C is factory set at 24. This will range depending on what size of system you purchased. So you can refer to our chart and our instructions. We're gonna go ahead and program for a 48K water softener and do salt efficient settings. So if you purchased a 48K softener, you're going to program it at 32. Change the number to 32. And push the extra cycle button to go to the next one. H is the next one. This is your hardness in grains per gallon. So you'll adjust this, either increase it, decrease it, depending on what your hardness level is for your water. And go to the next one. RS should be RC. RC is factory set at 150. This number is going to be 75 multiplied by the number of people in your house. So if you have 2 people in your house, it should stay at 150. You go to the next one. This is the day override. If you do not have any iron in your water, you'll keep that at 14. If you have iron in your water, you want to decrease that number to 7. RT is the time it will regenerate. It's factory set at 2 a.m. If that time works, you can leave it at that time. You want to make sure it's at a time when nobody's using water for about 2 hours. BW stays at 10. BD stays at 60. RR stays at 10. BF, this is when you'll refer to the chart again, depending on the size of system you purchased. So we're doing the 48K, which is set at 32, which means your BF setting is set at 6. Decrease that to 6. Go to the next. This should stay the same. This is for what type of meter you have, and all of our systems are typically always sent with the paddle wheel, so it'll be P0.7. Extra cycle button again will bring you back to the main screen. Change the time of day to the correct time of day by holding down one of the arrow keys. To save, push that, and you are good to go.